He's starting to get all weird on us, kid. Yeah. Yo. Okay, apparently so we have to wait till the beat kicks in.
Yeah.
We tryna do raps like Adele, that's how I tell it. It's a fucking felony if you fucking with my melodies. Oh, I just swore. Oh my god, I must just be a big whore. Like your fucking daughter grown up to be slaughtered like a motherfucking pig. She's gonna smoke cigs and be pregnant. That's just how I said it. You can never fuck with it, cause it goes as hard as metal. I'm on the pedal, pushing you into the fucking tree. That's just how I be if you ever ask me. In another planet, damn it. I'm about to go fucking havoc on these fucking masses. All these people are bastards. I may be tripping up, slipping up, but I can keep on going and keep on flowing. You never know where we're gonna be in your fucking dreams. Maybe that's just how it seems, cause that's all you're thinking about. We're gonna make you shout, put you on the right route, cause that's what everybody wants you to be. As you can see, their fucking eyes on the wall. And oh my god, I think I'm gonna ball, but maybe Big Brother is God. Oh my god, that's kind of atheist, so now everyone's hating it because they trying to stay faithful. Have your life in servitude, always have gratitude, and always have no magnitude, cause you grow up to be nothing. Your parents are just gonna be fucking and you're gonna be walking in and tucking a fucking gun into your motherfucking head and be dead, because everyone around here doesn't know how it's going. Everyone's so stupid. You act at me like I'm not lovely like Cupid. Well, you can suck a motherfucking dick, cause I don't give two fucks of the people saying that you suck. Who's up with me now? I'm going on the double rhymes in these troubled times. Everybody's got a muzzle nod, cause we're trying to keep silent. Some people say I'm violent, but I'm just wildin'. I could go forever, cause I'm never ever stopping. Everybody's hip-hopping and dropping the beats. Got you on your feet, we never suffer defeat, cause our rhymes never diminish, they only replenish. That's just how I said it, you can never go hard, go the extra yard, cause that's just so generic. But if you listen to my lyrics, I'm nothing compared to Lil Wayne, thinking he's deep just cause he raps about the hurricane.
Damn.
Hey. Alright, I'll go.
I thought Domino's, I was like, dude, how many pizza teams did you keep
It's like the talking, it's like the talking. Yeah, it's like the talking at the beginning of the thing. Ooh,
Pizza, look at me, I'm such a happy kid. Everyone around here is looking at my lid, cause I got a fat hat. I'm a cool rat. On the playground, I get spat on. I get shitted on, cause
everybody thinks as I'm just a mama's boy playing with my toys. I look like Roy Williams. If that's not the real guy, I'll kill him, cause I'm starting to get more and more crazy, ain't he? Yeah, I don't know if he's a good influence. I think my kid is gonna get into it, and I'm not intuitive, but I know there's something going on where and around where he lives. You know that, kid? I smelled some smoke. It was gonna make my lungs choke cause it increases cancer, and that's the answer. I'm your fucking master, you little bastard. You don't have a father. Oh my god, yeah. Such a bitch, yeah you are. Don't come in my place, cause my place is like Mars. I'm in another planet in outer space. I'm a different race, and I'm a head case, but I'm kinda mental crazy, cause it makes me better in a better way than you, cause I don't got as much cheddar, but I'm having more fun under the ocean. Oh, this is a potion for you to listen to. You can rub it on your skin like lotion. Wu-Tang Clan reference, man. The Method Man. He was so good, everyone understood him. He was in the Brethren, like Assassin's Creed. I just make you bleed when you hear my rhymes go into your head like little seeds making plants. Ha ha ha. I crawl on you like your ants. Ha ha ha. I'm a bigger bird in a big other place in the trees, eating bees. You can see me when you're feeling kinda queasy. I make rap look easy. If you feel me, you're looking kinda sleazy. Whatever those guys say on the motherfucking radio, played in your car every single damn day, man, they're making you cray. Whatever they say, Kanye West, he ain't the best. He just thinks he's cool cause he's yes. Yeah, I'll tell him how to be. I'll tell him that he ain't the man, and damn, he needs to get rid of the ego problem. He's such a goblin. He doesn't make music, he just thinks little girls will groove to it cause they're teenage and they motherfucking stupid. You think that my music is worse? Less condition? Listen, I got more rhythm, so you should shut your face. Everybody in here needs a drink. Oh, but that's not what your parents think, cause they're gonna slap my head until I'm so dead with a bat. Everybody around here is so damn angry. They hate me cause I'm a bad influence. I just said it before. You want hardcore, I'm going more than that. I'm not the little emos out there screaming. I'm making your dreams be changing because I'm a moral changer. I hit home runs like a ranger. I look like a stranger cause I look so dangerous. Angel dust is what I smoke. No, that doesn't make sense cause I be a meth head. Give credit to all the people.
Breaking Bad.
What?
That's ad-libbing.